You've explained the same thing to Claude 50 times, your tone of voice, your file format, the way your team writes reports, every single chat from scratch. Skills fix that. You teach Claude once and it remembers forever. No coding, no terminal, just a text file. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build one.
So, what is a skill really? Forget the marketing. A skill is a folder. Inside that folder, there is one file called skill.md. That file has two parts. At the top, 2 lines, a name and a description. Below that, plain instructions written in normal English. That's it, that's the whole thing. Claude reads the description of every skill you have installed. It costs almost nothing, about 100 tokens each. Then when your request matches one, Claude opens the file and follows your instructions. Until that moment, the skill just sits there, quiet, free. Before you build anything, you already have 4 skills for free. PowerPoint, Excel, Word, PDF, they are switched on by default in the Claude apps and you configure nothing. Ask for a spreadsheet with a chart and the Excel skill takes over. Ask for a formatted report and the Word skill handles the layout. Most people never notice this is happening. So try that first. Upload a messy spreadsheet. Say clean this up and give me an Excel file with a summary tab. Watch what comes back. For a lot of people, that alone pays for the subscription. Now the part you came for. Open any text editor. Notepad is fine. Type 3 dashes. On the next line, name, colon, and your skill name. Lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens only. Nothing else is allowed. Then description, colon, and 1 sentence. Then 3 dashes again. Under that, write what you want Claude to do in normal English, like you would explain it to a new person on your team. Numbered steps work great. Here is a real one you can copy. Name, weekly report. Description, turns raw meeting notes into our weekly client report. Use when the user pastes meeting notes or asks for a weekly update. And below that, the rules. Always start with 3 bullet points. Never use the word synergy. End with next steps and an owner for each one. Keep it under 400 words. Save the file as skill.md. Put it in a folder with the same name. Zip that folder. Done. You just built a skill and you did not write a single line of code. Now the mistake almost everyone makes. It is the reason people say skills don't work. They write a description like helps with reports. That is useless. Claude never triggers it and they assume the feature is broken. Your description does 2 jobs. It says what the skill does and it says when to use it. Both. Write the words your future self will actually type. If you say things like weekly update, client recap, or Monday report, put those exact words in the description. Think of it as the label on a drawer. Claude reads only the labels until it needs to open one. A vague label means the drawer never gets opened. Where does the file go? Depends where you work. In the Claude app, settings, then features, then upload your zip. You need a paid plan with file creation switched on. In Claude Code there is no zip and no upload. You drop the folder into .claude skills in your home directory or inside your project to share it with your repo. And one warning that saves hours of confusion. These do not sync. A skill you upload in the app will not appear in Claude Code and the other way around. Same file, uploaded separately in every place you work. Last thing, and it matters. Only install skills you wrote yourself or got from Anthropic. A skill is instructions plus code and Claude will follow them. Downloading a random skill from the internet is exactly like running a random program. Read it first. That's the whole feature. A folder, a text file, 2 lines at the top. Start with one. Take the thing you explain to Claude most often and write it down once. Tomorrow you won't have to type it again. Tell me in the comments which skill you built. I read them.